Lights that never sleep, rolling traffic in the neon glow, spectacular and magnificent sights everywhere, blending exquisite pursuits into everyday life. All pioneer thoughts are nourished and blossom here. The fashion capital, Shanghai. It acts like a giant magnet, absorbing all the surge and power, and like a magic box, using true reality to show you what miracles look like. Shanghai, abbreviated as Hu or Shen, is located in China's Yangtze River Delta. In spring, it is a city of romance, radiating youthful fragrance everywhere. On summer nights, it is a city of brilliance, constantly bursting with boundless vitality. In autumn, it is a city of colors, beautifully flowing with deep, romantic affection. In winter, it is a city of warmth. Stroll through the walkable neighborhoods and explore the four seasons of a city with a warm heart. Immerse yourself in the architecture as readable microtourism routes, and read the character and spirit of the city through the stories of its buildings. In Shanghai, enjoy the outstanding achievements of the fully connected and open public spaces along the Huangpu River and Suzhou Creek. A 45-kilometer world-class golden waterfront along, continuous scroll of the world's grand drawing room unfolds right before your eyes. From this height, you can fully overlook Puxi and Pudong, presenting a panoramic view of Pudong's entire development. From the construction of the Oriental Pearl Tower in 1993, to the development achievements of today. Today, we have the Oriental Pearl Tower here, followed by the Jin Mao Tower, the World Financial Center, and now the Shanghai Tower. Over these 30 years, there has been a dramatic evolution in the skyline of this area. With the reform and opening up, including Pudong's development today, when you look at a map of Shanghai, you will find the Huangpu River takes a 120-degree bend right here at Lujiazui, and the Oriental Pearl Tower stands exactly at this spot. Lujiazui in Pudong is like a stage, while Puxi acts as the grandstand. Just as Bai Juyi's poem goes large and small pearls dropping on a jade plate. From top to bottom, it has 11 spheres in total, scattered at different heights, like shining pearls scattered from the heavens. Meet the you who chases dreams. Meet the you with infinite possibilities. Meet the you who creates the future.